rainbow too.
Special birthday today. Evelyn McCool is 30,272 days young. The year she was born, Calvin Coolidge was the president, and a loaf of bread was 9 cents. Y'all join me in singing happy birthday to Evelyn, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evelyn. Happy birthday to you.
Listen with your eyes. Listen with your eyes. And sing everything you see. Oh, I can sing a rainbow. Sing a rainbow. Sing along with me.